All right, today we'll be learning how to diagram linking verbs and subject complements. Linking verbs and subject complements. I'm using a different stylus today, so you might see some misplaced lines and whatnot. But let's see how we can deal with this. Linking verbs and subject complements. Well, let's just go right into sentence one. He was quiet after the loss. So first we identify the subject and the verb was. Notice the verb is not an action verb, but instead it is what's called a linking verb. It links the subject to the subject complement. Now when you make that, actually made a direct object line. Now, when you have a linking verb, you need the linking verb line. Notice it. The linking verb line is looking as if it's tilting, or it is tilting. It looks like it's falling down towards the linking verb. He was quiet after the loss. Quiet is what's called the subject complement. It is complementing the subject, or in other words, completing, giving detail to the subject complement. The subject complement could either be an adjective, like quiet, or it could be a noun. It is important because without it, the sentence wouldn't make sense. Right? If you were to take out quiet, it would read, he was after the loss. That doesn't make sense. Let's look at sentence two. She has been sick lately. She has been, linking verb line, sick. Adverb, lately. All right. Now let's see if you can do this. Go ahead and pause the video and do these next two sentences. All right, you're back. Let's see if you got it. Starts with the subject. I am becoming, that's part of the verb, phrase. Happier, adjective. How? To what degree? By the minute. Again, the subject complement is complementing the subject. And you have a linking verb. Finally, after the game, Nancy and Helen were unhappy. All right. Now, you may have been stuck on this sentence because of the two subjects. So let me show you how to diagram two subjects. Looks like a fork. We have Nancy and Helen. The word "and" goes in this little triangle that I made with a dashed line. No, I'm not making that up. That's how you diagram it. So you got Nancy and Helen were, linking verb line, unhappy. They were very unhappy. Remember, adverbs like this, word very, can modify adjectives. And then when were they unhappy? Well, they were unhappy after game. After the game. So that's how you diagram linking verbs and subject complements.